So everyone is aware that they have a body, but not everybody is aware that they have a mind. And I just want to give you my thoughts on how I look at this. Okay, I look at it as tools. Okay, your car is something you have, and it gets you from one place to another, and it's something you have to take care of. There's the natural wear and tear of your car. I know this because I just took my car to the shop, and it was a little bit stressful, and it felt like going to the doctor's. So, in a similar fashion, I think most people can understand that your body is kind of like your car in that it's something you use. You direct it with your thoughts, like when you step on the gas, it's very responsive, it moves forward. You steer, it turns left, turns right. Your body's the same way, but in more detail. You can move your hands, your feet, your head. You get to such a point where you mastered your body, where you can start playing sports, you can run, you can even dance really well if you work at it. You can play piano, and the abilities of your body at a certain level of mastery is just very high. And now your mind, a lot of people, I would say at a lower level of consciousness, because I've thought this way before, and I'm not saying this to put down anyone at all, okay? This is just how I see it. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't think I am, but I maybe. But your mind is like a tool, okay? A lot of people think it's just we don't have free will, we're governed by genes, we're just a automaton of electromagnetic and electrochemical impulses, and we just react to the outside environment. That's what a lot of people think. But in actuality, the mind is a tool that by feeding it different thoughts and different images and sights and sounds, by the constant reinforcing of our chosen thoughts, we can direct it over the long term. We're kind of like a giant ship. It takes a lot more to turn it, and it's not by the first conscious thought that you have that you move it, because there's a lot of inertia to the pattern of our thinking. But by constantly repeating, go left, 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 we're able to direct our mind over a slightly longer time than it would take for the body to manifest these results. Okay, so your mind is also a tool. And now the holy grail of it all, this one is a little bit tougher, and I think if you'll be open minded, it will really help you put things in perspective. But I think that there goes that it's of some value to say that we have a soul too, or a spirit. And maybe we are spirit, or maybe we have it as a tool. But the way I've always seen it, based on the words of wise people, and based on the words of a lot of New Age thinkers, is your spirit is something you have, and by using your thoughts correctly day in and day out, your spirit feels good. And it's from this state of feeling good where things happen the easiest. And I want to keep this video very short, so I don't want to dive too deep into this high level concept. I just want you to know that by constantly reinforcing, by using your body right, your mind can act at its best. And by using your mind at its best, by encouraging good, consciously moral, uplifting, aligned with nature thoughts, your spirit will feel good. And from this place of feeling good, things will happen easiest for you because you will be in tune with the greater good. And because of that, you'll be in that stream that propels you forward towards prosperity, as opposed to fighting against the stream of nature, as opposed to going against the current. It's easier to swim with the current than against it. Anybody who's been in a very rough river knows this. So use your body, your mind, and your spirit right. Okay, from a feeling good place, you will manifest the best.